Welcome back, legends. Today, I'm exposing a black hat strategy to blast 10,000 DMs per day on Instagram, fully automated, fully stealth. Let's dive into the underground. This is the ultimate tool designed for bulk outreach while flying under the radar. We start with account management, load up hundreds, even thousands of IG accounts. Each one logs in through a unique browser instance, and every account is masked behind a dedicated proxy. No shared IPs, no footprints. Next, go to content management. This is where you prepare the message, text, links, emojis, even video or image demiss. Spin your content if you want. Avoid repetition, dodge detection. Now comes the power move, head to skin data. You can scrape followers of any account, people who commented on a post, or users by niche-specific keywords. Just drop in the target. The tool harvests usernames for you, fast and silently. Once you've got your target list, go to message management. Set how many DMs each account sends per day. Recommended 20 to 25 messages per account per day with 10 to 15 seconds delay between each message. This keeps you under Instagram's radar, like a ghost. Select the accounts, load the message, and hit start. The software opens stealth browsers, logs in, and starts sending accounts that hit message limits. It skips them automatically, no blocks, no bans. With 500 accounts, you can hit 10,000 inboxes per day. Perfect for affiliate marketing, product drops, traffic arbitrage, whatever your hustle is. Instagram will never know what hit them. If you want this tool or need setup help, contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Links are pinned below. Smash that like button if you're into elite automation. Subscribe for more underground growth tactics. This is Dragon, signing out.